Most golf cars come off the course looking pretty rough, dirty and worn from years of use. Here at Golf Cars Plus, we take each golf cart through a full recondition process to bring it back to life. We start by carefully removing every body panel to get every golf cart down to the bare frame and making any necessary repairs along the way. We then take every golf cart down to our wash bay, where we give it a thorough service wash, removing any dirt or debris that's built up over time. After the service wash, we go through each cart top to bottom to make sure everything is functioning properly. We go through batteries, brakes, cables, clutches, body panels to make sure when it's coming off our lift, it's in the best shape it's been in years. Once that's done, we go through the factory trim and floor mats to give them a fresh new look out on the course. We also paint the frame, steering components, and suspension, not just for appearance, but to protect from future rust and wear. Last step is to put everything back together, giving it a final once-over, making sure everything looks sharp and consistent. A couple other things that come on each reconditioned cart are a brand new seat and, should you choose, a brand new windshield. The last step of the process is to make sure every golf cart has the appropriate stickers and a number sequence and logo of your choosing. This isn't just a cleanup, it's a full rebuild. We take pride in every single detail so you can get the most out of your investment, whether you're maintaining a fleet or bringing one back to life.